Hi, my name is Weston, and right here in my hands, I have one of the most dangerous kinds of multi-tools. And I'll show you how it works. So once you open it up, you'll find this right here, and then in the sides, you'll find one of these. You can see that there's a screwdriver right here. Let me just take it out for you. Right here. This screwdriver is a star head screwdriver. I think that there is a kind of one of these that has a flat head screwdriver and one of these. And on the other side, we have 3 of these. Now, I know that you can't see them, but I'm pretty sure that these are flathead screwdrivers. I haven't opened up these in weeks. And if you cut yourself with a knife that's right here, it'll badly hurt. So cut away from yourself. And I'll go one at a time. So right here, we have a can opener, a small one. And then right here we have a little size can opener, and then right here we have a sharp size can opener which you can cut around the can. Now this multi-tool is very useful to have, but it is very dangerous to have as well. And so let's put this back. And right here, so once you get it, you'll find like this thing right here that you can open with your own thumb. And you just go like this. Just like that. And this right here is a pair of scissors that handmade. It was handmade. These scissors are like the same as regular scissors, but they're smaller and they're a bit hard to use. What I would recommend was the other kind of multi-tool, which I have, but it doesn't clip like this, so we had to give it away. I would recommend this kind, which it would be much more better to use. And let's get started on the saw. Now the saw is pretty dangerous. You can see it right here. Let me just put this back. You can see that it's very spiky from this part to here. And if you look at it closely, you'll see that it has very sharp edges. So I don't think that what I would recommend that 8 years old children and beyond would be able to have this is because that they would be more responsible, but maybe it's a different age. I'm not sure, but I would recommend 8 years old because I'm 8 and my dad he gave me this multi-tool for my birthday. And now let's get on to the cuts. Now these sharp ones are very sharp, the knives, and if you're looking up, it looks very thin, and you see that once you just start touching it like this, it'll make a few scrapes. But each time in them, you need to sharpen the saw so that it keeps the way it is. I've been sharpening this saw for about a week now, and we have been, me and my dad, this kind of multi-tool has been very useful. I've been very careful the past 2 weeks, and I would think that you guys would have a better chance of having a free thing like this. These are very rare. I bought this from the corner of my house. It was about $60, around that, and 99 cents, and so they're pretty expensive and very rare. So we can move on to the nail clipper and the other knife. Let's just move on to the nail clipper. It isn't such as a nail clipper because it usually, what I use it for is cutting pieces of wood, but I think it'd be good for doing this because it actually cuts your nails. And so this, I'll show you how it works. So once you rub it against a piece of wood, it kind of makes a cut. You can see that. I'll show you. You can see it. This is sharp, but it's also smooth. It isn't really that much dangerous, so it's pretty safe.